Hi friends, welcome back to my channel. Today I will talk about on World Animal Welfare Day. So let's start our video. The day dedicated to animals for making people aware of the world about the role of animals in our lives. World Animal Day is a global observation day celebrated on 4th October. The annual celebration of World Animal Day has the global objective of uniting people for advocating the welfare of animals. To make people realize the importance of animals in our ecosystem and our life, the ecologists launched World Animal Day in 1931. All mammals, fishes, birds, reptiles and other living species that can move fall under animal. Every year the World Animal Day has a different theme. The themes set are generally for raising awareness regarding the well-being of animals around the world. Animal activists worldwide celebrate World Animal Day by organizing campaigns and rallies to promote the well-being of animals and wildlife. Animal testing is some of the harshest form of torture, and it is time we protest against such cruelty by banning those products tested on animals. Animal poaching, hunting, deforestation, pollution have caused the extinction of hundreds of species. Each year, 2 dozen animal species are getting extinct and several others pushed to the verge of extinction because of our carelessness and cruelty. Workshops are conducted by animal activists and animal welfare society to educate the owner of working animals to provide the necessary care and environment they need. Thank you for watching my video. If you like my video, so press the like button and subscribe my channel. Thank you.